Hello everyone, welcome to High School Mathematics channel. Today we are going to learn class 7 chapter 1 integers exercise 1.4. See now question number 1, simplify the following. See the first sum 6 into 9 minus 6 divided 3. We are going to solve this sum by using BODMAS rule. Here multiplication, subtraction and division symbol is there. So according to BODMAS rule, first we have to solve here division. See now 6 into 9 minus, let us do division, 3 table 6 is 2 times. Now here multiplication and subtraction symbol is there. So now first we have to do multiplication, then after only we have to do subtraction. So let us multiply 6 9s are 54 minus 2. Now let us do subtraction, 54 minus 2 is 52. So the answer is here 52. See now second sum 12 divided 4 minus 8 plus 5. Here the operations are division, subtraction and addition. So first we have to do division, then after we have to do addition, then after we have to do subtraction here according to BODMAS rule. So let us do division. 4 table 12 is 3 times, then minus 8 plus 5. Now we have to do addition. Plus 3 and plus 5, that is 8 minus 8. Now let us do subtraction. 8 minus 8 is 0. See first question third sum 80 minus 56 divided 8 into 9. Here subtraction, division and multiplication symbols were there. According to BODMAS rule, first we have to solve division. So write down 80 minus 8 table 56 is 7 times. So write down 7 into 9. Subtraction and multiplication is there. First we have to do multiplication only. Let us write down 80 minus 7 9s are 63. Now we have to do subtraction. 80 minus 63, that is 17. So the answer is here 17. See now fourth sum. Here first we have to do division according to BODMAS rule. 5 table 15 is 3 times plus 17 minus 30. Here addition and subtraction is there. First we have to do addition. So 3 plus 17 is 20 minus 30. Now we have to do subtraction. So 30 minus 20, that is 10. 30 is greatest, its sign is minus. So the answer is here minus 10. See now first question fifth sum 8 plus 8 minus 8 into 8 divided 8. Here first we have to do division according to BODMAS rule. So write down 8 plus 8 minus 8 into 8 table 8 is 1 time. Next we have to do multiplication. So write down 8 plus 8 minus 8 into 1 is 8. Now we have to do addition. 8 plus 8 is 16 minus 8. Now let us do subtraction according to BODMAS rule. So 16 minus 8 is 8. So the answer is here 8. See now second question, simplify the following. See the first sum 8 into 3 minus Vinicius 13 minus 7. According to BODMAS rule, first we have to solve Vinicius, then after brackets. So here in this question Vinicius is given, we have to solve it. So write down 8 into 3 minus 13 minus 7 is 6. Now we have to do multiplication. So 8 into 3, that is 24 minus 6. Now we have to do subtraction. 24 minus 6, that is 18. So the answer is here 18. See now second sum. Curly bracket 12 minus Vinicius 14 minus 8 plus 7 minus 15. So first we have to solve Vinicius according to BODMAS rule. Let us write curly bracket 12 minus 14 minus 8 is 6 plus 7, close the curly bracket, minus 15. Now we have to solve the values present in the bracket. See here subtraction and addition is there. First we have to do addition. So 12 plus 7 is 19 minus 6 minus 15. Now solve the value present in this curly bracket. 19 minus 6, that is 13 minus 15. Now we have to do subtraction. 15 minus 13 is 2. 15 is greatest, its sign is minus. So the answer is here minus 2. See now second question, third sum. 16 minus simple bracket 4 plus 18 divided 6 minus vinculum 7 minus 5 into 5. According to Bodmer's rule, first we have to solve vinculum. So write down 16 minus 4 plus 18 divided 6 minus 7 minus 5 is 2 into 5. That equals to, now we have to solve simple bracket. Here division first we have to do. So 16 minus 4 plus 6 table 18 is 3 times. Write down 3 minus 2 into 5. That equals to 16 minus, now we have to do addition first. 4 plus 3, 7 minus 2 into 5. That equals to 16 minus 7 minus 2, that is 5 into 5. That equals to, here subtraction and multiplication symbols were there. First we have to do multiplication. So write down 16 minus 5 5s are 25. Now let us do subtraction. 25 minus 16 is 9. 25 is greatest, its sign is minus. So keep here minus symbol. So the answer is here minus 9. See now second question, fourth sum. 6 of 145 divided 3 plus 2 divided 2 minus 4 of 20. According to Bodmer's rule, first we have to solve brackets. First we are going to solve here simple bracket. So write down 6 of 145 divided 3 plus 2, that is 5, divided 2 minus 4 of 20. Next we have to solve off. Off means nothing but multiplication. 6 into 145. 6 table 6 5s are 30, 0 carry 3, 6 4s are 24 plus 3, 27, 7 carry 2, 6 1s are 6 plus 2, that is 8. So 6 into 145 is 870 divided by 5 divided 2 minus 4 of 20. Now we are going to solve curly bracket. 5 table 870 is 174 times divided 2 minus 4 of 20. Now we have to solve off according to Bodmer's rule. So write down 174 divided 2 minus 4 of 20, that is 4 into 20, that is 80. Here division and subtraction symbols were there. Here first division only we have to solve according to Bodmer's rule. So 2 table 174 is 87 times minus 80. Now we have to do subtraction. 87 minus 80 is 7. So the answer is here 7. See now second question, fifth sum. 25 plus 14 minus 18 plus 12 of 5 minus of minus 4 plus 14. Now let us solve this sum by using Bodmer's rule. First we have to solve brackets. Here simple bracket, curly bracket and square bracket 3 were given. First we have to solve simple bracket. Let us see now. 25 plus 14 minus 18 plus curly bracket 12 of 5 minus 4 plus 14. Both are having opposite sign. We have to do subtraction. 14 minus 4, that is 10. Now let us solve curly bracket. So write down 25 plus 14 minus 18 plus 12 of 5. Of means nothing but multiplication. 12 5s are 60 minus 10. Write down 25 plus 14 minus 18 plus 60 minus 10, that is 50. Now let us solve square bracket. Here subtraction and addition symbols were there. we have to do addition only. So write down 25 plus 50 plus 14, that is 64 minus 18. That equals to 25 plus 64 minus 18, that is 46. Now we have to do addition. 25 plus 46. 6 plus 5, 11. 1 carry 1. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. Therefore 25 plus 46 is 71. Therefore 71 is the answer for the given expression. See now question number 3. Identify the true statements. See the first one. 48 divided 6 minus 4 equals to 24. See here, LHS part, that is left hand side part, that is 48 divided 6 minus 4. According to BODMAS rule, first we have to do division. 6 table 48 is 8 times. So write down 8 minus 4. So 8 minus 4 answer is 4. But RHS part, that is right hand side part, is 24. Both are not equal. So the given statement is false. See now second sum, minus 18 plus 12 divided 3, that equals to minus 14. Let us see here LHS part, minus 18 plus 12 divided 3. According to BODMAS rule, first we have to do division. So write down minus 18 plus 3 table 12 is 4 times. That equals to, here both are having opposite sign, we have to do subtraction. 18 minus 4 is 14. 18 is greatest, its sign is minus. So write down minus 14. Therefore LHS and RHS both are equal. Therefore the given statement is true. See now third question, third sum, minus 11 plus 3 into 7, that equals to minus 56. Let us take LHS part, minus 11 plus 3 into 7. First we have to do multiplication according to BODMAS rule. So write down minus 11 plus 3 sevens are 21. That equals to, here both are having opposite sign, we have to do subtraction. 21 minus 11, that is 10. But here RHS is minus 56, so both are different. So the answer is false. See now fourth one, 2020 divided 20 minus 100 is equal to 1. Let us take LHS part, 2020 divided 20 minus 100. Here division and subtraction symbols were there. First we have to do division according to BODMAS rule. 20 table 10 times 200. 1 time 20. So 2020 divided 20, answer is 101 minus 100. 101 minus 100, answer is 1. RHS answer also 1 only. So both are equal. So the given statement is true. See now question number 4. Fill in the blanks with plus, minus, into or division symbol to make the statement true. See now first sum, 9-3-6, that equals to minus 3. Here I kept symbol division and here I am going to put negative symbol minus. Now let us check whether it is correct or not. 9 divided 3 minus 6, that equals to, according to BODMAS rule, first we have to do division. 3 table 9, it is 3 times. Then write on this minus 6, that equals to 6 minus 3, 3. 6 is greatest, its sign is minus. So we got minus 3 answer. So here also we got answer minus 3 only. So our sum is correct here. See now second one, minus 6 dash 12 dash 6, that equals to minus 4. Here I am going to put plus symbol and here division symbol. Now we are going to do check here. Minus 6 plus 12 divided 6, that equals to, according to BODMAS rule, first we have to do division. 6 table 12 is 2 times. So write down minus 6 plus 2, that equals to, here both are having opposite sign, we have to do subtraction. 6 minus 2, that is 4. 6 is greatest, its sign is minus. So the answer is minus 4. Here also we got minus 4 only answer. So our sum is correct. See now third one, minus 15 dash 3 dash 6, that equals to minus 30. Here I am going to put symbol division and here multiplication symbol. Now we are going to check whether it is correct or not. Minus 15 divided 3 into 6, that equals to, according to BODMAS rule, first we have to do division, then after only we should do multiplication. So 3 table 15 is 5 times. So keep this minus symbol and write 5 into 6, that equals to minus 5 into 6, that is minus 30. So here also we got same answer, so our sum is correct. Today we have seen chapter 1 integers exercise 1.4 all sums. Hope you all like this video. If you like this video, please like, share to your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.